All right. Testing, 1 2 1 2 1 2. I think we're good. I think we're good. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Oh, dude. No way. My live went on the wrong one. Alright, let me fix that. Hey, what up, Ruru? How you doing? I gotta change everything now because I'm on the wrong live. This new YouTube shit is just different, bro. It just built different. Just edit this. Let me save that. Okay. How's your morning, man? How'd you wake up? Copy. What am I missing? What am I missing? I got the thumbnail up, right? I got the tags in there. Oh, I'm forgetting the that's what I'm forgetting. Okay. BFT. Cciv. Yo, what's up, boy? How you doing, HisTiK? My boy Coolcraft. Pltr. Save. Boom. Alright, now we're good. Bro, I can't believe my stream went on the wrong one. I should have done it the other way. That was my fault, to be honest. Alright, let me refresh. Nah, it's still not doing it. Holy, is that your balance? Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna restart my stream. I'm gonna go to the other one. Should I? Cause my thumbnail's not on there. Should I do that? Cause my thumbnail's not on there right now. Right? I just changed the thumbnail. It's not there. Bro, that thumbnail's fire, bro. Like, come on. You want, I guess? Nah. I think I'm gonna check my phone. Is the thumbnail like changed? Is it like my banner or is it a different thumbnail? I'm gonna check my phone. I changed that bitch just now, man. Nah. It's 3 watching now. The thumbnail got changed. Now we good. It has like the stock market last year. Okay, not because on my computer. I'm looking at it right now and it's not there. All right, we good. Yeah, that's my balance right now. But I have, I think, on my other account. Let me open it on my other browser. I mean, on my other monitor, because I think there's some things I can't show on stream on there. But on there, I think I'm up 6K. Wait, let me just make sure I'm not showing it. Yeah, I'm good. All right. So I have a total of 6K. So I have a total of 27,000 right now. 27,000. Let me just move this here, put this here. All right. The rocket one. Yeah, all right, good. Bro, what blew up? No, it's just, bro, you weren't in my stream last week? This happened last week. It was this one. This one blew up. Cciv. This is one of my favorite ones that I've been preaching for a minute now. This one I told you that I was up 16 grand. Remember that day, HisTiK? Remember? You were in the Discord with me when it happened. My boy Flight. What's good with you, man? Yeah, bro, my fucking stream went on the wrong one for some reason. We have 12 more minutes till the market opens. Cannot wait. I really cannot wait. On the RSI here, it shows that we're overbought. So for those of you guys that don't know how to like read these charts and stuff, if you look at the bottom where it's like kind of orange, you see that orange light where my mouse is at right here, where it says RSI. You see that? So how people use this is you could use this little tool right here to see if like a stock is overbought, meaning too many people are buying it and not enough selling, or if something is oversold when too many people are selling a stock and there's not enough buys going in, right? So the way you see it is 70, or is it no? It's 60. 60 is like where it starts becoming a little bit overbought, and then when you're at the 40s, you start getting a little bit oversold. So 40 is when you're getting a little bit oversold. Now let's say with this RSI, you know you're oversold when your RSI is either like 30 or lower than 30. You know you're overbought when your RSI is 70 or above 70. So it's overbought, meaning what that means is it's overbought. We're probably gonna see like a little bit of a dip, because that's usually what happens when a stock is becoming really overbought. You start seeing a dip because there's too many people are buying, so there's not enough selling, pushing the price a little bit upwards. And usually that would just cause an inflation in the price to kind of equal it out or balance it out in a way, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, remember, I was just wondering if it was CCIV or something else. Yeah, no, it was CCIV. I think last week I made a really good play with this one though. I'm waiting for the market to open to see how this one's gonna open up at. Because if this actually opens in $30, then that's gonna be real nice. It was just at like 30 something, legit 10 minutes ago. So people are taking profits. Oh. But that one I'm a little excited. Whoa, 51,000 shares at $29.50. Oh wow. How much is that? Hold up, let's check that out. 51,000 shares. Someone's buying 51,486. Whoa, what am I doing? 29.6. A million. Someone put down $1 million. 1.5 mil. That's a big order. 20,000 shares, 31,000 shares. I think they moved it up. They split it because it was 50 shares, wasn't it? 50,000. Yo, Fly, have a good one, man. Thanks for passing by this morning, man. This one, though, this bad boy, I want to see how this one opens up, bro. Because this one, we got some good news on this one on Saturday. I posted it on Twitter and on YouTube. I put a community post. Put 2 mil in there. You tried it. I wish I have 2 mil. Imagine Ticky Boy with 2 mil. Bro, if I get 2 mil, I'll give you $100 for Nick. You're gonna want to clip that, by the way. So if I ever do get 2 mil, you can hold me accountable. Oof, 63. I think our highest is 64. Yeah, word. I'm dead ass, bro. Bro, I wish you could actually play music, bro. Cause I was dead ass just vibing. I was vibing on Spotify, bro. And I'm like, damn, I gotta stream. Let me put on some lo-fi or some shit, bro. I was dead ass just vibing, bro. I was chilling, looking at the market, getting ready. You feel me? This is becoming really overbought. Well, it was overbought. It's dropping down a little bit. That's good. BFT though, come to me. Come on, baby. How much you think you'll have at the end of the week? End of the week? I mean, it depends. This week is gonna be a hectic week for me because if what happened Sunday goes crazy, I could possibly be up like 40K. But if it goes like there's some idiots that are anticipating this will go up to like $200, which I don't think it'll go to 200. But let's say if it does, right? If it goes to like 150 to 200, that's like 80 grand in a week, bro. But that's like best case scenario because I don't even think it would even get close to that. But like if everything goes right, the cards are played, the stars are aligned type beat, then yeah, like 80 grand. But probably I think I'll make 40,000 this week though. Well, no, I lied. Probably like 20 more thousand than what I have now. I have to add what I have here. 20 more thousand than I have now. Cause I think this will go to 100 this week. I'm pretty sure. I'm confident it will go to 100. Now, will it go a lot higher than 100? I don't know, man. I do not know. Bro, I should have made me a coffee. That would have been the best move right now. I gotta look into some new plays. So I'm thinking about. There's a couple of stocks I was looking at this weekend that are looking very interesting. Very interesting that I might want to get into. But I don't got the capital, bro. I don't got the cash. Excuse me. Bro, you know I've been obsessed with mushrooms, bro. I don't know why. Is that weird? I've been like obsessed with fucking like mushrooms with an omelet with mushrooms inside of it. Bro, I be eating that shit like every day. It's a weird ass obsession of mine. Cciv looks ready to open at around 63 this morning, 19%. You do be right though. We got 6 minutes left, and it's looking pretty fucking strong. I'm not gonna lie. But this is what I anticipate to happen, right? The market's gonna open. I think this dips a little bit, probably, and then we just shoot up. Usually it just dips because people just, you know, are stupid. So just realize you got some people's income in 1 week. You know, it's funny. I was talking to Jasmine about that. I'm like, I've already made 16 grand. I'm like, yo, some people make that shit a year. Like, I'm lucky, bro. Like, some people actually make this shit a year, bro. And if I make 40 grand, then that's what some people make a year. So hopefully I get lucky, man. This one, man. This one was so disappointing this morning, but it went up a lot, thankfully. It was down to like $17, I think, this morning. We got 5 more minutes and the market opens. Oh, why did I come off of that? Oh, that's why, because I'm not supposed to be on here. I'm supposed to have this one open here. The RSI's looking a lot better there. How are the... Someone removed their 30,000. Is merger confirmed and where? So Bloomberg confirmed that. So this is what happened, right? I should probably, thank you for reminding me. I should probably open that article because I feel like people are gonna ask me a lot. So Bloomberg posted on Saturday actually that CCIV and Lucid Motors, we can get an announcement for a deal as early as Tuesday, so tomorrow. See, look right here. As early as Tuesday, we can see a deal between Lucid Motors and CCIV. Where's the actual thing so I could just highlight it? How do you highlight things? Here it is. Because a deal for a vehicle maker could be announced on Tuesday. That's what Bloomberg says. So, you know, Bloomberg is the reason why the stock jumped up super high levels to begin with. They're a pretty credible source as well. So that's what the hype's all about, man. Tuesday might be the big day. Tomorrow. Oof. If you don't see Cciv, you should be really happy about that. Did you say your sister was into crypto? Jasmine, Jasmine does like Forex and all that. Like she trades Forex. Crypto, she used to own Bitcoin when it was like 12,000. And then her boyfriend told her to sell when it was like 19,000 because he was like, it's gonna crash. She's so dumb, bro. I feel so bad. I would even told her that it wasn't gonna crash. Cause I don't know much. I didn't know much about crypto back then, but I even knew this was gonna go crazy levels. Yo, it dropped like crazy today. Whoa. We're literally going to the moon and back. Hopefully. We haven't hit the moon yet. We'll hit the moon once the shit hits 100. When the hit hits a hundo. Fat hundo. 3 more minutes. I'm gonna just look at this one for the 3 minutes mark because I want to see. I think this might open at 30, bro. If this opens at 30, bro, fingers crossed, bro. Fingers crossed. If it opens at 30, I'm gonna be so happy. I don't need it to because it's already pretty close to 30. But if it does, oh, it's gonna be so nice. Hey, my boy PJ, what's up? You changed your name. How do you pronounce that? Bracky? Did I say that right? Braxy, or is it Bracky? Braxy. I think it's the second one. How you doing, man? How's your day, brother? How is it over there? What time is it where you at right now? Is it like, let me see, we're at 9:30. So it's probably like what, 2 for you? Did I get that right? Did I get, nah, I'm bugging. 1, 2 o'clock? Braxy. Alright. I knew it was one of those two. How you been though, man? It's been a minute since I've seen you. Been a minute since I've seen you. 14:28. Oh, my man hit me with the military style. Yeah, so it was 2. It was 2 o'clock. It's 2:30 for y'all, right? Alright, 2 more minutes, boys. Let's see how we open. If we open at 63, I'll be happy. So we open in 2 more minutes at 9:30 Eastern time. That's when the market officially opens. I don't know how to feel. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. I think it'll drop a little bit. I'm gonna say it's gonna drop a little bit because if it goes up, then I'll be happy. If it drops down, I'll be like, yeah, I anticipated it. It'll look like I'm smart or something. Doing good. I'm a creative warrior now. Go crazy. Man's going crazy on the, yo, it's going up a lot. It might even go to 64. It's you're going crazy on that Fortnite, bro. Go crazy, my G. I haven't hopped on Fortnite in a couple weeks, I think. Oh no, I capped a couple days. I think I played once like the other day with my cousin. You're on a PC now, right? Or you still play on a console? Do you think people should only invest in one stock or multiple? It depends. So the way I see it is that if you invest in one stock, you have your conviction for it is a lot higher, but it's not as safe. You know, it's a lot more riskier to invest into one stock. So if your risk tolerance is really high and you're okay to make some risk, then yeah, invest into 1-2 stocks. Go crazy with those 1-2 stocks. But if you want to like diversify your portfolio, then probably like, depending on how much money you have, I don't think you should be too diverse in your portfolio. Probably like 6-7 stocks, maybe max, depending on how much you have. But like even like really big portfolios that have like $1 million, $2 million, or like a couple 100,000, they have like their money in between like 6, 7, maybe 10, 15 stocks. But I've seen some portfolios, bro, that have like 20, 30 fucking stocks in that shit. Like a little bit of money in every single thing. Oh, we just opened. I didn't even realize. Opening at 62. It is what it is. Yes, let's go. Now let's see my call options. Oh, they're not as up as I thought it'd be up a lot more. I'm not gonna lie. Well, it's because I'm only at 30. I'm not mad though. I'm not mad. I think I'm gonna sell this like throughout maybe like around 11 or 12. I think that's probably a good peak to sell that at. Even now, is BFT doing good? Where we're at with BFT right now, 17.32. So it's going up. It's going up. Oh, it just shot up. Oh yeah, BFT. Oh, okay. All right, I'm not complaining. Yeah, I knew it was gonna drop. See, I told you if I said it was gonna go down, if it does go down, I'll be like, yeah, I knew it. It dropped, bro. Ooh. Oh. How much am I up in my call? Are my calls lagging? Yeah, my calls are lagging right now. They haven't moved. My calls are currently lagging. Oh, that's nice though. BFT, go crazy. So would now still be a good time to invest in Cciv, or is it too late to invest? I mean, it depends on how risky you want to play it. Like right now there's a dip, so I think with a dip is a good time to buy. So like now would probably be a good time to buy because it just dipped like $2, it dipped $3, almost $2. So I think now would be a good time to buy if you were to buy anything. But I still think it might be a little bit more risky to buy at the moment just because it's so high. But again, I don't know how high it can go, so it's all super risky. But if your risk tolerance is high and you have if you have nuts of steel, I say why not, bro. But I wouldn't go all in. I'd probably buy a little bit, wait for it to drop a little bit more, buy a little bit more, and just keep like trickling shares in at a time. Like I wouldn't just go. Let's say you only buy 10 shares, right? I wouldn't buy all 10 at once. I'd probably buy like maybe 4, then another 3, then like another 3, and then there, call it a day. BFT though, what? Hold on, I'm actually a little confused on why BFT. I'm gonna look at another monitor that way you guys can see the chart, but I'm confused why BFT is going up so much. Let's see. Spac and black, I hate in the sack. No, what is it? Still long, investor page drop something. Oh, is it because Grasso said something? That was 46 minutes ago. What exactly happened? Boy, I don't even know. How much am I up on my calls right now? Whoa, I'm up a lot on those calls now. I'm up 187 on this one. I'm up 164 on my 17.5 call. And then I'm up 35 on my other. Oh, right, that's nice. I was actually down on those this morning. I was down on those. The Palantir one, though, is dropping, isn't it? It's because it's overbought, like really overbought. I mean, should I take profits on that call now? Because I'm honestly happy with the profits I made off the call. It's $100, almost 100% return off that. So I wouldn't be mad if I were to take some profits off this. If I sell it, I can buy something else. What can I buy right now? Hold up. Let me just look at something. What do I want to own right now? I'll just hold it. I'll see how that day goes. Because I don't know what move to make with that. Cciv just bounced back up. Yeah, like I was saying, that was a really good dip that you could have bought in when it dropped on a 60. That happens. It just happened in the morning. I'm up 331 of those calls now. That's good. Very good. Very good. I'm actually confused on why it jumped though. I couldn't find anything online on why BFT jumped. I'm guessing a big buy went in. I'm assuming there was a really big buy on there. Space and black. I hit the sag. Yeah. Why is that guy saying that? They're so weird on here. Out of sheer curiosity, how is TSI doing? TSI, I don't know what that is. What's TSI? TCW Strategic Income Fund. They're currently flat right now. They're down 0.08, but they're not. I'm guessing they're down less of a cent. Probably like 0.008 cents. This stock is not supported on Robin, so I can't even buy any. What is this though? A diverse closed-end management investment company. It's a strategic income fund. BFT jumped because of me. I'm so cool, bro. Yo, Runic is the best, bro. Man, it's the best. But you see that big jump? It dropped a little bit now because of that big jump. The house plans you're doing. 60,000 shares at 29. Jesus Christ. It's a lot of money, bro. It's like 1.7 mil, 1.6 mil. BFT, I should be holding on this one right here, right? Alright. So today we're up almost 3 grand. I think our highs was, let me see, what was our high on this account? I'm pretty sure I've seen 22k. I might haven't seen that yet. Okay, so I think we just hit our highs today. Then this was the highest our account has been up, 21,427. Okay, I fuck with that, boy. All right, BFT's bouncing back. That's good. Palantir just bounced back as well. I'm guessing it's because of that 60,000 shares that went through. Did that go through yet? It hasn't gone through yet. They do not want that guy to buy 60k shares. Not TSI, TRI. Thomson Reuters. They're down 51 cents today. I've heard of Reuters. I don't know if it's the same Reuters though. Damn, back in March it was at 52. It's basically at the highs it was at in before the crash. Oh, it is at the highs. See, if you would have bought it during the crash, you'd be up a significant amount. Okay, nice, good movements. This is bouncing back up. So is Palantir. This is so just super volatile. When you plan on selling? Selling what? Which one specifically? We're talking about my Palantir. I'm looking at maybe even sell it today. Because I already hit the mark, to be honest. I kind of want to hold it to see where it goes. Because I think if it goes past 30 during market hours, I think it shoots. So if it could shoot today, then on that Palantir, I can make like an extra 200 bucks. So I'm going to just hold that for a little bit. My CCIV, I don't know, man. That's a tricky one for me. I've been thinking about it today, right? I was just like in my room and shit, thinking about what I should do. And I was like, damn, bro, what should I do, bro? How should I sell it? Like, how should I move this or play this? And I haven't come up with a good idea or a good way to play this. I mean, I guess if it feels right, I guess if it hits a marker that I'm comfortable with, I'd sell. Maybe like at 100 something for sure. It's got to be over 100 though that I sell. I don't think I sell below that. Just cause like there's too much that could be made off of this. Like, I'd be comfortable to sell like anything over 100. Like, I'd be like, all right, I made a good bag off that. My account probably be like in the 40K range, and I'll be happy with it. I could just move money around, make other plays. You know, by the end of the year, hopefully like double what I had. But maybe wait for like a little crash, cause bro, the Pltr crash or something. Why did the call just die? That Pltr call just died on me. Now that's 64,000 shares. Jeez. Go crazy, my G. Let me share this on Twitter real quick. Hold up. Maybe Marley not so bad after all. What the fuck is that? Yo, Runic, you in this? I don't like that. It's looking like it might drop. It's creating lower lows and lower highs. That's not looking good. If it hit 100, how much would you have then? If it hit 100, hold on, I wanted to show you something. If it hit 100, we'll see right now. 100 times 415, 41,500. But then you also want to subtract my cost basis, because I gotta subtract 9,774. So this is how much I would have made. 30K, 31,000 if it goes to 100. 31,000 if it goes to 100. That'd mean like my total gains right there. Oh yeah, yo, peep this shit, bro. Let me know who this shawty is, bro. Yo, who is this, Ruru? Who is Marley? Who the fuck is 6 foot king? Yeah, Ruru, you gonna have to let me know what it is, bro. You gonna have to let me know. That's Zodi who like that. Patrick Mahomes is a girl dad. Huh? Oh, he has a girl now. Nice. Alright, back to this. It's like a steady incline, but I think we're gonna drop though. Like, I see it. I see the little charts. I wish I could increase this a little bit. Let me just go here. I should just have the charts open for all three. I do, okay. Yeah, Pltr just did the big dipskis. You don't? I thought you knew everyone, bro. I probably have to ask Harambe. Yo, BFT though is moving different right now. It's extremely overbought. We were just oversold. Now we're overbought. That's the thing with this shit, man. Boom, 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 boom. It's a lot of shares going. So I don't know if I should sell my call yet or not. Alright, bro. See you, man. Has some shit on my fucking nose, bro. Take some weird shit on my nose. Top of my nose. Anyways, 18? Do we see 18? Do we see 18? Bro, I've been saying this for a minute now, bro. Yo, BFT, that's my baby. Let's see how we doing on these right now. 65 now on this. Now I'm curious how we're doing on this. 164 on here. And then how my Twitter call is going. These are lagging right now. They haven't even moved. These are fucking lagging. Those two haven't even fucking moved the inch yet. But yeah, if I didn't say buy already, buy Coolcraft. My fault if I didn't. I don't remember if I did or not. That's why. How much did you buy BFT at? So I didn't buy it on my other account. Let me check, because I have BFT shares on my other account, on my Fidelity account. Because I think, let me see how much money I have in BFT right now. Let's see. We'll check right now. We have Ooh, nice. BFT going crazy. Yo, hold on. Let me check my girl's account real quick, cause boy, her account is booming right now cause of a stock I bought for her. It's gotta be. On my other account, I put in 5.7K into BFT, and then here we got what we got. Oh, but my other account I have 337 shares, and I bought that at $16.79. So my other account I have 337 with 16.79 cost basis. So on here, I didn't buy shares on here. I bought calls. So these are a little bit different. They're kind of like contracts that I bought. But I put 6K here on that account, and I have around 3 here. 5, 6. I have around $12,000 in BFT right now in total. But I didn't buy shares here. I bought these contracts probably when BFT was at like low 17s and then the $16 range. But calls, they work a little bit different. They look more complicated to actually explain. Wait, FRX is going crazy. I wanted to buy FRX, but I didn't have the money. Oh, shit just went up $3 today, bro. That's crazy. Unfortunate. I wanted to buy that one. Oh well. Let me see if these calls are lagging. This actually dropped. Yo, calls are weird. It doesn't make any sense. I can't tell if this one went up or down. I feel like it went up. Yeah, this way. Yeah, that one did go up. That one did go up. Because I think that was up only 80 on that. This one went down though. It was at 160. Which makes no sense because we've been going up. I like the chart for this though. The thing is with that is I think so we're a little bit oversold. Hold up 1 second. Oh, excuse me. I'm so curious, bro. I can't. I wonder where we close at today. Like my account, I think it's so. All right, so let me just. I want to calculate this because I think I could close about 24,000 on this account. So in order for that to happen, I need CCIV to where we're at 415 times 3. If it goes up, nah. If it goes for us to go to 24, I gotta go up $6. That might not happen actually. So about $6.50, $6.50. So we'd have to be at 68, 67. No, that might not happen today then. Actually, it might if BFT goes crazy. That's the only way because I have a shit ton of BFT in here. So that's the only way I see that. House Palantir 29. Alright. I'm looking Twitter on here. I saw SpecTrack post something. This is what I saw. There's one stock that how is that one doing? TDAC. This one might be a really good buy. This is one that I want to look into as well. I forgot about this. They're buying into lottery.com, which is I think is a pretty big spec. I have to tell Isaac. I think he forgot about that. Who said let's Levine to the moon? The chart for this, I don't know. I don't like the chart. I think we're gonna drop. I'm gonna be honest. I think we drop the rest, but I would like to be rich by Friday. Sky. Oh, me and you both, my friend. How you doing, by the way, man? How's your morning so far? Yeah, I figured we're gonna drop. The chart just didn't look good. I don't think there's enough. There's not enough pressure going on here. We're like super overbought. Man said no rush. That's funny. I wonder how low we're gonna drop here. Yo, Sky, do you own FRX or no? I saw that one going crazy. I think someone brought it up to me the other day. I think that was up $3 today. Hold on, I have to look at the Palantir chart. I want to see if that call should be sold right now. Because the chart is screaming a drop, man. I think I'm going to sell that Palantir call now. I'm happy with the gains I made on there. Let me sell that shit now. Hold on. I'm going to sell that at, yeah, 2.40. Let me see if it goes through. Alright, there you go. We did it, boys. We sold it. What is that for us? What do they do? That's the they are a company that I'm trying to remember the exact company that they are. Hold on. They're it has to do with it's a popular like workout thing. Fuck, what's it called? Oh, FRX merger. They're merging with a company that has to do with some workout shit. Let me see if I can find the name of that company. Beachbody. That one, the Beachbody. They're merging with Beachbody. But that the Beachbody company, it has a. So you probably heard of the workout. Let me look at it. Let me just find it and then I'm gonna show you. Investor relations. Investor presentation. Yeah. It's down here somewhere. Is it here? Just bought SOS MAR. Oh, Riot is doing pretty good. Palantir. When'd you buy Palantir? I bought some calls for last week, and I guess I just got lucky on it. Shakeology, that's big. I'm trying to think of the actual workout. It's kind of like a Zumba, but not really. There's a different name, but it's like a popular one. I forgot what it's called though. I'm trying to find it. Don't recall exactly where it was at on here. It's like a, oh fuck, what is that shit called, bro? It's like the tip of my tongue, bro. I might have skipped it, low-key. Oh yeah, MYX Fitness at a glance. Rolling Stone. Oh, this is, they have workout machines? I did not know that. I don't know, man. It's some shit, bro. I couldn't find the actual name of it, but. Oh, BFT, my baby. How you do me, man? Patrick on the 19th at 28. My boy Kana. What's up, man? How you doing, brother? But yeah, Runic, it's like some workout shit, bro. I couldn't find the actual name of it, but Shakeology is really popular as well in the workout industry. It's looking like a cup and handle on here, on my chart. Let me see how the CCIV chart is looking. Hold up, cause that's after hours as well. I can't really tell. It doesn't show after hour movements on here. I'd have to look at an actual chart to look at it. Cause this is the after hours. So the after hours looking like a cup and handle, bro. If you go up a little bit, it might be a cup and handle. We shoot upward really high. All guys just watching CCIV climb. This is gonna be an interesting one today, man. Very interesting one for today. Yeah, we're going up, bro. We'll see how this looks though. Like in about, let's say 30 minutes from now, if this goes up a little bit, like if it treads a little upwards, we'll see a cup handle. So then we're gonna go upwards and just like shoot up once we pass this mark right here, 935. Once we get back there, we shoot right up. I'm only saying that because that's the after hours. The only thing that was moving for me was CCIV because I only own CCIV shares. So it's kind of like the only indicator I have of the after hours, unless I go to TradeView. But or pre-market, I mean. Ladder. Hold on. I just got a tweet. Oh no, that was just J-Sig. I thought something important came out, man. Palantir. Yes, I'm happy I sold that Palantir contract now. It just, I didn't like the way the chart was looking. And I was happy with the gains I made. I was real happy with that gains that I made off. I think I made like 150. And I only put in, on 150, so I made 100% of my thing back. So I could use that money now. Maybe if I find an opportunity somewhere. I think TDAC is really nice. I like TDAC. League later? Yeah, I'm down, bro. But I have class. I don't know how long I'm gonna stream. I have class like at 2-ish, 2:30, and then I want to stream again for the market close. I think my class finishes at 2:50, so, and I want to stream again for the market close. So after that, what's today? Let me look at my schedule today. It'll have to be later tonight though. Like, but my night is probably really late for you. Oh, my financial aid got paid. Let's go. Hold up. Let me check if these people send me my money. Because if they did, I'm going to be balling. Hold up, bro. No, they didn't. They didn't send my money, bro. Unfortunate. What we got? Let's say it's Monday. So I got a class at 2 o'clock, 2 to 2:50. And then I have another class. Oh, I only have that class. And then the next class is later tonight. Oh, I'm chilling. So after my stream, I could play a little bit. After my stream that I finish, like, I think I'm gonna stream like around 3-ish, because my class finished at 2:50, and I gotta set my stream up. You feel me? So we'll see, but we'll see. You gotta talk in local time. Yeah. So for you, me 2:50. So with me, what, you're what, 5 hours ahead of me? It's probably like 8 for you, I think, right? 8 to 7 for you. Sorry, this man just sent something. Something about someone's like deliberately dropping the price. I don't know if I believe that though, but it's 14.55 for you right now. So it's 2.55 for you. It's about to be 3 for you, and it's about to be 10 for me. So yeah, it's a 5-hour difference. Any options? What do you, any opinion, what to do with CCIV? Do you own it or are you trying to buy? Why did I read options? I'm weird, bro. Yo, I'm PFT, bro. I'm telling you, yo, this one's my baby. We're overbought right now, but yo, next couple weeks. What are your predictions after the deal? I think we at least see 100, bro. At least. I say 100 is like reasonable. I think we see 100 off of just FOMO in general, but there's people that are saying like 150 to 200. I think that's a little too optimistic. But I feel like 100 is reasonable. We could see a little bit lower than 100, like in the 90s, but I think 90s to 100 is reasonable. Because it all depends on how it plays out tonight. Because it depends on how we end off tonight. Because tomorrow's the big day. So if they announce tomorrow that the deal's actually happening, then that's where, you know, that's where the big jump comes in. But I think we see like a big push later tonight towards the market end. For people who don't want to miss out on tomorrow's thing. I want to invest in any company making bulletproof products, components, or cars. Bulletproof. I never thought about that. So like, what specifically are you looking into for that? Bulletproof cars and products. That's interesting. Is there a reason why you're looking into companies like that? Like, do you see that industry just blowing up in the future? It's tomorrow. Yeah. So thank God I had this open up. Bloomberg announced on Saturday. I don't. You probably didn't see that, but they announced that a deal for the electric vehicle maker this is obviously about Lucid Motors and CCIV via client spec, which is CCIV, right? A deal for electric maker could be announced on Tuesday. 2 of the people said the talks are ongoing, but could still fall apart. So, they always gotta put that it could still fall apart in case it does, but they're saying that the announcement could come as early as Tuesday. So that's what the big jump was today. That's why we went up like what, $7-8 today, $7. We're up $9 earlier, but that's the reason why we jumped up so much, because of that specific article. That tomorrow could be a big day. That's what I'm saying. Like tomorrow, that's what I'm saying. That later tonight, like towards the market end, we might see a jump on CCIV for people buying into the stock, so they don't miss out on tomorrow's announcement if it does happen. So it could be a good swing trade if you're able to trade in the pre-market like 4 a.m. because if it doesn't happen, you can always just sell for a profit, because I'm pretty sure it'll swing nicely later today. That's if it does. Instability, that's a company. we buy more of this for 57? I mean, I don't know what to say. I can't really say how much more it would drop if it does go to 57, but I think because right now, depending on the value, it all depends on the valuation, man. Because if the valuation is like 15 billion, like they said, then we're overvalued right now in price. So I think we'll probably drop. Like I think our fair value will probably be in the like $40-something range, if it's the 15 billion. But if it's back to the 12 billion, like they originally said, or not originally, but like they said before, I think Reuters made an article that it might be 12 billion the deal. If that's right, the valuation for $55 wouldn't be too far off. So it just depends, man. Because if it's 15 billion, then we're a little bit overvalued, so we might see a dip. But I think if you buy now, like a $57 range, if there is an announcement tomorrow, we still see a jump toward like 70, 80, maybe even further. So it wouldn't be a bad idea. But it's on the riskier side. You just want to keep that in mind. It is on the riskier side. I think this shit breaks 18 today, bro. I really think it does. My calls are looking nice, though. I like that. Yeah, we're up more on here. How much am I up on those calls in total? Hold on. 401. Alright, that's not bad. Yeah, anytime, Jesus. If you got any other questions, let me know, bro. Even off stream, like if you have any questions, even on the weekends or whatever, you could just hit me up on Twitter or Discord if that helps you or if that's more comfortable. Yo, thank you, Jesus. I appreciate that, man. I think we definitely break 18 today, bro. But we're overbought, so I don't know. But it just looks nice. The chart looks nice. The RSI doesn't, though. The chart looks very nice, though. We consolidated for a while, bro. That was a while we were consolidating for. The order book, there's not that much buy pressure in the order books. So I see we see a dip further down. That Palantir, man, I knew it was gonna drop more. It's becoming kind of oversold though, so who knows how that moves. This is the one I'm looking forward to though. I'm not gonna lie, this one's looking nice. It keeps looking better and better throughout the day. Cause it was looking pretty shitty this morning. I think it was at $17. Like we were down like 30 cents pre-market. You know what's funny though is that every time my BFT is doing like pretty decent, my CCIV just drops, so it kind of balances out my account. How does that look yet? I mean, if we get a jump again, bro, it could be a cup of handle for me. Just because of that pre-market movement, man. I mean, this could have been, you could have seen this one as a cup of handle. We'll see. $17.82. You know what, bro? I'm about to say fuck the lo-fi. I'm about to play some actual music. Oh, that feels amazing. Yo, hearing actual music, no fucking way. You got any penny stocks you're looking to? I used to play around with penny stocks. Like I got into Planet 13 when it was like in the low $3, and sold it at $6, which I kind of regret because I think now it's at $8. Let me see. But right now I don't really look into penny stocks as much because I think those are a little bit more dangerous. Actually, no, it dropped. It was towards $8 this morning. Yikes, it had a big drop. I don't look that much into penny stocks. I feel like my specialty is probably the stocks that are in the teens to $20 range. Even like the $30 range stocks I'm pretty good at picking, but the penny stocks are kind of a gamble for me. That's why I like doing them. I've done it once or twice. I think the last one I got into was Nokia, but I was in it. I don't know. You consider that a penny stock, right? Not really. It's not an OTC. Would you consider a Nokia a penny stock? It is below 5. But I got into this one like at 3 something, and then the whole Wall Street bestings happened, so I sold out of it. The Dow falls 200 points amid rate fears. Apple and Tesla shares decline. I saw Apple's been, or not Apple, Tesla's been dropping like crazy. It dropped down more today. 20 bucks. Shit. I think it's down for the week or month like $80 or $100. My phone. So leave me alone. If we see another push upwards, I think we break 18. This shirt just looks really good. Yeah, are you into any penny stocks though? BFT, man, I love it. I haven't found any place to get into. I probably should have got into TDAC when I saw it drop down there. I saw it too. I was looking at it, but I thought it was gonna go down more. Skills is a good swing trade. You could swing this at 40, to be honest. It would have been better to buy pre-market though. Where can I park some money in? Macy's. Isn't Apex Technology supposed to have an announcement soon? Oh no, I should probably get into who has earnings coming out soon? Is it? I was looking at it this morning. There's a company I saw that has earnings coming out. And it was dropping. Oh, OneOak had earnings coming out, but I think that one's going up like crazy today. Pre-market would have been a great time to buy. They have earnings coming out when? Today after hours. Is that a good swing? Only penny stock I have is First Cobalt. Which one's that one? FT, SSF. Yo, do you guys know any companies that I'm looking at my on Google. Do you guys know any companies that have earnings coming out right now? I saw one. I don't remember. Oh wait, let me check my StockWoods. It might be on there. I might have saved it. No, I didn't. Fuck. I didn't save it. Oh wait, Nokia, was that one? That might have been one that has earnings coming out. No, the earnings already dropped for this. Oh, it comes out April. I mean, for that one. Fuck. What is that stock, bro, that I'm thinking of, bro? There's one I gotta remember, bro. Fuck. When does Skills drop their earnings? Expected March 5th, pre-market. Ooh. That's what, Friday? Skills just had a big drop just now too. I should probably, how much can I afford of Skills? I think Skills would be a really good player. Just long term even with this one. I could swing it to 40 and then sell. It's not that much, but you know, it's something. Cause I only put in like 400 bucks in there. Let me see how much I'd make from that. 65. Alright, not that much, but that's something. It might even jump higher. Cause I think their highs for Skills, the highs on Skills is probably like $42, isn't it? Or like 41, because of the NFL. For the Super Bowl, it went up like crazy. That means their numbers gotta be looking good, right? I'm buying it off as anticipating their numbers gonna be good. Their numbers gotta be looking good. They just had the Super Bowl. What else? I know they have a contract with the NFL. Yeah, no, that was a good play. That was. I wish I could have bought more though. But the good thing is that I used the money I made off of Palantir this morning and I put it into there. So I'm kind of just like shuffling money around. Gotta maintain. That's big as a gang. How's BFT? Yo. Yo, my baby is moving. Gotta run. Good luck, guys. Have a good one, Sky, man. Thanks for passing by today, man. Seeing the forest, see me going. Bro, break 18. Come on, bro. Do it for me. My calls are looking nice for that shit, and it's barely moved, man. It's barely moved. I really wonder how it's gonna be like when we hit like 20, man, 25. I'm so excited for that. See, now I see a pull. I think we're gonna go jump back up now on CCIV. We're getting really oversold. Usually when that happens, we get a really nice jump. The chart's looking a lot better. It's starting to hit like a... bro, I wish I could see a way... Bro, I gotta get trading view on here. That's a bull flag is forming right now. It's forming a bull flag. I think we might see a big jump soon. Nah, man, I'm trying to look into it. Into which one? Which one are you talking about? On the bag, bitch. Oh man, yes. I think if we break 18, we get a nice jump, man. How much are we up by now? We're up by 17K. Nice. Oh man, I'm excited for this. Just woke up. Where the blank at? Oh, the hose. Where the hose at? Where the hose at, man? You tell me. Jumped up even harder. Get your cool chase. What did I miss? CCIV's up like $8 today or $6. I think it dropped down to probably like $6-5 right now. And BFT is going crazy. So right now I made... Well, how much am I by today? I'm up by 2.3K almost. 2.2K. But I think I make a lot more towards the end of the day. Like towards the market close. Because I think that's when CCIV jumps like crazy. So I'll probably be up a lot more than 2.2K. This though. It keeps bouncing off 95. Turn music volume down when little TJ's part comes up. Nobody want to hear that. Bro, why you be hating on my boy TJ, bro? I'm so happy I bought those calls, bro. We're so oversold right now. Look at that. Wow. Bro, so tuck your chain. Yeah, Alex, you don't got school right now? You don't got morning classes? How long you been streaming? Not that long. I think I started streaming at 9:15, so like about almost an hour now. Almost an hour. So nothing crazy really happened so far. Other than the fact that we went up a decent amount on CCIV today. BFT that caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie. How's the book looking? The order book. We're overbought though, so I wouldn't be surprised if this drops. No, I don't start till 7:55 for my 0 period. You have 0 period? What's your 0 period? That guy in your life. I think that skills play is gonna be good. They got earnings coming up. That'll be a very interesting play. If you break 18, man, I don't know. We've been stuck at 95 for a minute now. We keep bouncing back down from 95. And we're really overbought. Honestly, it's BFT. It always drops throughout the day. History, I didn't want to have a full 1 hour class if we went back to school. 1 hour class? Or isn't that how they are now? I'm not bugging. We're class is 30 minutes back in high school. Don't remember. They were an hour, right? It had been an hour. Yo, my boy Liam, what's good, bro? How you doing, man? In class right now? Oh, man, I'm sorry to hear that. I don't have class till 2. I don't have class till 2, and then I have, I think I have another class at 7. I have a math class later tonight. But later today is going to be a good day. If you have time, pass by to the stream later tonight. Not really tonight, like in the afternoon. So, like, I'm probably going to stream around 3 in the afternoon for me. I think that's when power hour starts. That's a good time to start streaming. I'm in IRL school till 12, then go home and go online. Whoa, really? That's how it is now? What's the point? Why not just finish fucking school? You have to go there physically till 12. You leave and you go online classes after. That's so weird. Just about to hit a thing right now. Yeah, I'm never gonna bounce back from there. That was looking so oversold. It could probably still drop, but I see a reversal coming. You could just tell. What's up, bro? Listening as I work. Have a quick question. How did you get into swing trading penny stocks without wanting to hold for long term and make some money off them? I don't really swing trade penny stocks, to be honest. I don't like swing trading penny stocks. I usually just swing trade like middle cap companies, or just like low. I wouldn't say really low cap, but like any stocks are like in the teens. That's kind of my specialty. Like I swung traded BFT for when it was 16 and it went up to 19 and rebought back down. But I think penny stocks aren't really my specialty, so I wouldn't really know what to tell you about those. I've only played into, I think, one penny stock, which was Planet 13, and I made like 3K off of that, but that was really the only one that I played around with. And Nokia, but I didn't really make much off of that because I kind of sold a little too early. Where I don't get what's the point of getting ready and going for 2 hours. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. That's so dumb. Where do you live? You live in the West Coast, right? Not the East? Can't remember. This man Harambe, bro. Can't wait to graduate next year. Wait, what grade are you in? You're in 8th grade or 7th? I want to check my Fidelity account real quick. How are we doing on there? Yo, my Fidelity account is looking more alive than ever, bro. I kind of want to check my girlfriend's account. Hold on. I want to see how everything's doing. I don't like the look of that graph. I have what you want. Let's see this genre. Hold up. Yeah, she's up a significant amount on that shit. Wait, when did I buy her this? At 15.18. Wow, she is lucky. Alright, I'm back. My phone. Bro, because I don't believe you're graduating high school this soon. There's no way, really? That's why I said 7th grade. Because I'm like, bro, there's no way you're in high school already? That's crazy to me. You're about to graduate high school in a year, bro. That's actually crazy. We know each other for man long. Shit, bro, how times have changed. You haven't really changed much, though. You actually, I think you're a lot more mature now, though, but I remember Dad asking you for tips on high school. I don't remember that. Did you really? What'd you ask me? That's crazy, bro. It's actually crazy. I feel like an old man now, bro. Chill with that. What are they saying about BFT on here? Let's see. So I don't think it'll blow up like CCIV. These guys are bugging. This guy made he brought up a good point, because it was like the same thing I was saying last week. Is that BFT wasn't gonna go past 17.50 until Friday because of the call options, and then looks what happened on Monday. It shit just jumps right through. It was just kind of obvious to tell. That's why I bought 17.5 calls for this company, but I bought it for way further out. It was mad fun. Yeah, but you're going through COVID with high school, so you probably aren't even having that much fun, bro. I had so much fun in high school. That's why I feel bad for y'all, bro. Swing trade versus contracts. I like call option contracts. I like them a lot. I mean, it depends on how you play them. So I feel like the safer bet if you want to do call options is do long-term in the money calls. So if you don't know what that is kind of like just calls that are in the money. So for example, I bought this one. I bought this for expires in July, these calls, but I bought it for 17.5 like a week and a half ago, I think it was, and that was like when it was like $16. So I bought it like $1 above, but I bought it further out that expires in July, so I have till July for this to be above 17.5, which it already is. But I'm anticipating this company to be like in the 30s or 40s by July, so that's why I really like these in the money like long-term calls, because let's say between now, like 2 or 3 months from now, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be like a DA for this if the officially come out, like a date for an merger for this company. And once it merges, it's gonna be a huge catalyst, so I can enjoy those sweet games when it happens. But a lot of like call options that you want to do is because most of it's just waiting games, man. And you just gotta, like, if you're down a couple days, don't really be like down and shit, you feel me? Because for these contracts, I was down like 300, 400 bucks like last week, because it was just a rough week. But now I'm up 300. So then since then, I've went up like $600 in value of my contract because they were down 400 to 300. Yeah, no applause. How's this chart looking? Uh-oh. That's funny. 300. Bro, I'm actually curious. I think I might break my high on this account. I think today we might break our highs for this. I think our high is like 21. I think we broke it today. Today we were at 21,357. Right? So I think we could possibly have 22, 23K on this account. That'd be, yo, if that happens, that'd be crazy, bro. Because I'd be up over 600% if that happens. I'd be up over 600%. Wait, was I up 600% earlier? Didn't I pay attention to that? I wanted to watch that happen. Fuck, I think I was earlier. I was up over 600%. I didn't realize it. So I'll be up over 600%, bro. And I only put what, 3K in here? A little bit less, looks like. That's a big W, bro. And then in my other account, same thing on there. I'm up what, like 2,000 something on there, and I only put 3K. So how much we at right now? We got 26K. We're at 26K right now. Okay. If I tell you I love you, I mean it. Can't believe it. Okay. So I had to open my other account. All right. Yeah, I just had I knew we were gonna bounce back up. We were just so oversold. Just didn't really make that much sense. From here on out, we're probably gonna hit a big jump because that was usually we have 1 or 2 dips throughout the day, and that was it right there. You probably go up from here. How's BFT doing? Yeah, I'm actually surprised it's stabilizing. We're still oversold though. It's kind of like staying in the 80s, but it's a downtrend, looking really slow. Bro, how do you even predict this? It's kind of just experience. Like, I just seen charts for about a year now. Right, I look at charts for about a year now, right? So I kind of see the trends because they're kind of the same, right? So you see how right here it started just stabilizing, boom, 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 right? Started kind of stabilizing, then it had a huge drop, and then it had kind of, it was kind of, you know how stocks go up and up and down, up and down. Let me just scroll in here so you can kind of see a better version of what I'm talking about. So like here, right? It drops down. So it's something called creating lower lows and lower highs. And then when you see something kind of like balancing, stabilizing a little bit, and then it has like a big drop, that's an anticipation that there was a big oversell. Right? So there was a big sell in emotion, so a lot of people sold in that area. And then you can also look at the RSI. They also helps you with your indication. So right here, right? And this is that spot. We're oversold. So people use this called the RSI. You could tell when a stock is oversold or overbought. So up here, so when you know you're extremely oversold when you're below 30, right? So here we're at 28.95, right next to the RSI. You see 28.95. So I knew we were extremely oversold there. And then like the pattern of the graph, it was kind of just going back up a little bit. So I kind of just anticipated it was gonna go back up. It doesn't work all the time, but it's always a good indication to help you make trades. But it's not accurate 100%, you know. But like I said, it's a good indication to help you make trades, swing them one way or another. Yo, you'll think we getting a market crash. I'm down 10% in my safe ETFs today already. I've been saying it for a while now. I think we'll get a correction. I don't know if it'll be a huge one, but I think we will. But I don't think it happens until after the stimulus checks come out. So I think we're fine until then. I think once like the stimulus check actually goes to the public, I think anytime between then toward the future, like next couple months, weeks from there, I think that's where we see like some type of correction. But I don't think we'll see one anytime soon until we get a stimulus. DMYI. What is that? Is it YI? Yeah. Oh, I used to have this on my watch list. Oh, did they announce something? Oh, who cares? TDAG. Damn, here it is. I should have bought there. Nah, I'm gonna hold my skills. I think skills is still a good play. Should I sell my ETFs and wait to buy it back in when we get a stimulus check? To be honest, I wouldn't even know how to play that. Because I don't really own that much ETFs, so I don't really know how their movements go. I don't know how, because they're obviously a lot safer bet, right? It's kind of just a stable movement. I mean, how old are you? Do you have money? If you have money on the side, I say no. Because you could just rebuy back, or not rebuy back, but you could just lower your cost average on them. I don't think, like, even with a stock market crash, like, the worst thing you could do is probably sell at a loss. Because if you have, I think the best thing you could do if it does just have a correction is just have money on the side. I think just pile money up, man. I think that's the best thing you could do. Just pile money up. And then if there is a crash, you just buy more. Buy more. Lower your average, you feel me? I think that's the best thing you could do. I mean, if you want to get a real low, because the thing about selling, man, is that you can't predict these things. Like, look, we don't know if there actually will be a correction, you know? Or if you don't know if the correction is going to be that big, maybe there is a correction, but maybe between now and the stimulus check, we go up like another 200-300 points, right? And then the ETF is a lot higher, but we have a correction, but it's back to the levels where you sold, you know? So you can never predict these things. That's why I don't think like selling because you feel like there's going to be a stock market crash is probably the best thing to do. It's riskier. It can work for you, sure, but it's a lot riskier. The best strategy I think you could do is just buy more when it drops. You know, you just buy more when it drops. But I don't know. It's risky. I mean, you'd have to just really believe that it would drop down that much for you to sell. I'm currently 18 and I have 3K in ETFs and I have 2K in growth stocks, and now I'm down 2.5K in my ETFs today alone. Wait, what? You're down? You put 3K in total, right? Are you down 2.5K of the money you put in, or your profits? Like, you only got 500 bucks left on your ETFs? Is that what I'm hearing? Tell you a fun nigga. But you're young though, man. Congrats, by the way. Congrats when you starting investing so young. I don't trust niggas you bullshit because you tell you a fun. Where BTF at? BFT, my boy. Is it a good time to buy Tesla? They've been dropping a lot. The thing about Tesla is that I don't know, because they're still like super overvalued. There's a reason why it's been dropping. So you know when there was that tech crash, the tech bubble, down 500. Oh, bro, just leave it. Just chill. You only got 3K in there. Just save up money, man. You're 18, right? Just save up money and put more money in those ETFs when it drops. If there's like a stock market crash, bro, just buy more when it drops. Bro, trust me. You're gonna want to do that more than sell. Because if you sell, bro, you're trying to predict where a price is going, and that usually doesn't go out. That doesn't work out that well for you usually. But if you're lucky, you could hit the mark on that. You know, it could be very beneficial for you. But if you want to be safer with it, I just hold what you have, man, and just keep money on the side. And then if there's a stock market crash, you just buy in. You just buy and lower your cost average. Oh, OneOak is having their thing right now. Oh yeah, but for Tesla, you know how there was a tech crash, right? Or a tech bubble, Jesus? So people are saying there's gonna be like an EV bubble, right? So with the tech bubble, like all the tech companies are going up like crazy, right? And then like Microsoft, Apple, all of them, like it came to a point, I think it was like a year or two after, right? It came to the point where they would drop amazing numbers, but the price would drop because it was all priced in. So the people are anticipating the same thing to happen to Tesla because it's been going up like crazy. And if they start dropping like amazing numbers, like back-to-back quarters, amazing numbers and stuff, it might be just all be priced in. So I actually don't know how to play Tesla. I wouldn't know. I'm not the Tesla man. You know what I mean? Like I don't know much about. I know what their business model, all that shit is, but I haven't personally bought in Tesla. It's a good company though. Like if you were to buy in and hold for like 5 to 10 years from now, then yeah, you'll make money, obviously. But like if you're talking about like the next like year or a couple months from now, I don't know what to tell you about that. But long term, you make money off that, man. Long term, you make a lot of money. Like if you're telling me you want to buy Tesla and hold it for the next 5-10 years, you're good, bro. You're good. But if you're talking about like a swing trade for the next couple months, I wouldn't know what to tell you. I sold CCIV for profit today, bought back in at 54 Friday, and sold it today at 59.50. All right, man, that's good. It's never bad to take profits. I don't think I'm going to sell it specifically myself until maybe, it depends on how the movement is tomorrow, but I think I'm going to hold CCIV for a while. Last week was at 860. Yeah, I know, but why has it been dropping? Because of what? Like with the CCIV thing people are saying? People are taking profit from CCIV to buy into Tesla, or to buy into... People are taking profit from Tesla to buy into CCIV. That's what people are saying, right? But it's been dropping for a month. For a while now, bro. Nah, bro. It's been more than... It's been on a downtrend since February 2nd, bro. You see what I mean? It's been on a downtrend since then. Even since January 27th, it had a big drop. And a big good jump. I mean, it depends, bro. It depends how you want to play it. It could be a good play. I wouldn't know. I personally am not gonna get into it just because I don't want to gamble too much on that one. But because I'm already gambling too much on CCIV, so I don't want to gamble too much on that one. But it could be a good play. It could. Could the drop in Tesla be because they bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin? No, I think that helped them. I think long term, bro. See, I'm telling you, because I think a lot of that shit is just priced in, bro. But I think that helped them though. That Bitcoin shit helped Bitcoin obviously, and I think that helped Tesla as well. Just like for the business model stuff, you know what I mean? Good morning, RC. How you doing? Yeah, yo, the chart is looking a lot better right now, bro. The chart is looking way better now. I say from here on out, we're gonna get a really good push up to maybe 64, back to our highs. Wasn't our high 64? I can't remember. Thank you, yeah, it was 64. We might see a push up there. The chart's looking really good now. It wasn't looking that good this morning. See, if we break through $60.14, that'd be amazing. Yeah, I'm not surprised BFT is dropping. We're still overbought. Pltr, I'm happy I sold the call for that one. That was a good swing trade for me. I like that one. I should probably keep something else open over here. I know it's been way too long. HITTiK. This one I want to look into. This one. This might be a good play, dude. You know, have you guys heard of HITTiK? They're merging with lottery.com. That's a really good company. What software are you using to see the stock price changing so fast? I use Robinhood. Using Robinhood, but I'm using Robinhood on I have level 2. I have a level 2 charts on Robinhood. They're so oversold too. So would this be a W morning or L morning in a stock? For me, I'm up 2K, so W. 2K. But it's gonna be a W day because when I stream later today, bro, today's gonna be huge. Later today's gonna be huge. So like when I stream again like at 3, I think that's gonna be a that one. That's what I'm waiting for. Is that later that price move later today's gonna be nice. That one's gonna be nice. Turn me on, turn me on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The moment this becomes at least in the 40s in the RSI or lower, that's gonna be happy. Predictions at the end of the day. I think we at least touch back all-time highs today. Bro, the pre-market was amazing. We went up like $7-8. So imagine obviously people are selling today, you know, take profits because that was a big swing this morning, but the pre-market was amazing, so I wouldn't even be surprised if we get 64 again. But we'll see. Because tomorrow's supposed to be gonna be a big day. There's a lot of anticipation for tomorrow. So usually with that, when there's like really big anticipations, we get really big movements. You see, because Friday, what happened last Friday was that there was call options expiring, so they had to drop the price down. You know, I don't know if you know much about the institutions or how they work, but there's a lot of, usually when there's call options expiring, same thing with BFT. There was call options expiring on Friday, which is why it was staying below 1750. And then on Monday, this shit just jumps, you know, out of nowhere. So I don't know, we'll see. I think 64 is pretty reasonable. Oh, you scammer, you didn't upload the beginner stock vid on Sunday like you said you would? No, I was trying to, bro. I think I gotta get a MacBook or some shit, bro, because I couldn't figure out a way. Because I recorded this stuff on my phone, right? The camera, because the camera on the phone is nice, you know, it's 4K quality and shit. So I recorded it on the phone, and I been trying to put it on my computer, but I tried using Google Drive to do it. It took like fucking 7 hours for it to process, and then it processed in 360p, bro. And then I tried other things, but they weren't working. I haven't found a way how to do it correctly. I found this other thing that I could do it like via Wi-Fi or something, like via Wi-Fi. And even with that one, it was 1080p, so it was okay, but it took forever. It took hours as well. Yeah, it took forever. I was trying to do it, but it took forever. I mean, if you want, I can show you how to do it now. I'm gonna try to see if I can make the video again tonight and try to find a way to do it. Cause if I do the thing via Wi-Fi, I can get it done today. But the only problem with that is that what the fuck was I gonna say? The only problem with that one is that it's gonna take forever. So if I do it after the stream, I might have time to upload it today. Friday was amazing. I was buying more. Bro, there's a lot of guys that were scared on Friday. Me personally, I didn't really care. Because, like, with stop loss rates, I'm used to it with this stock. It's happened so many times. This is going to drop some more. It's looking bearish again. But yeah, I didn't really care that much because my cost average is low, you know what I mean? Like, it didn't really affect me. But there's a lot of people that are scared. Kind of feel bad. I think I've been thinking. Pltr is oversold like hell. There's still 44k shares. How are the options looking for this? I could rebuy back on that $30 call option that I bought, but I would want to buy that a little bit further out though. I think March 5th is too close. Fucking Pltr has weekly options, bro. Must be nice, bro. I was looking at scales and I saw that $34. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck happened to the CCIV? Like, goddamn, shit caught me off guard. Bro, I can't get over the fact how expensive a damn MacBook is. Bro, that shit is expensive. I was trying to buy a, like, something, right? So I could just airdrop it. You know, because I feel like just airdropping the video would be 20 times easier. And I could probably keep the quality, right? RCL announced quarterly earnings of, for sure, beating expectations by 3%. Oh, really? RCL. Oh, crazy. Are they going up because of that? Whoa, RCL's going up like crazy. $8. I got my mom to buy this one back when it was in the 20s. I think she still owned it. I'm about to making money. I sold 11 shares by mistake in my pocket at 57.40 CCIV. I was hot. Wait, how much shares do you have right now? What's your cost basis, Jesus? Or do you want me to call you Jesus? Jesus. I'm not even surprised that we're down right now. That was expected for how crazy this morning was. But we're getting really overbought though. We're close to getting overbought. So later tonight would be good. I have a question. What's up? There's nothing funny. Damn, I'm down $9 on skills now. Yo, skills, what you doing to me, boy? So starting off a Robinhood account before turning 18, you need the parent shit, right? No, you can't do Robinhood. So, but Robinhood doesn't have it. They don't have custodial account. It's called a custodial account. So you do. I use Fidelity, so you can do Fidelity. So you go like Fidelity custodial accounts, and you open a custodial account. So the thing is, I was trying to get Asia to help me with it because I wanted to make one for her little brother, so I could actually have an account and show you how to do it, the trades on a custodial account. Because I don't know how it looks like on, you know, Fidelity and stuff, the custodial account version. But what the frick? Yeah, I'll just copy and paste it for you here. You could do it with your mom. So you just make it, and it's basically like a regular account. Like a regular stock market account, but they could, like, anyone can put money in it, and they just kind of like see what you're doing. It's monitored and shit by them, but they don't really have to, but they could monitor it. I have 14 and 830 market value. I got them when they were 31. Nice, man. So you made a nice buck off of that. That's good. And you're 18, bro, so you're young as fuck. Damn, I wish I started when you were that. I wish I started when I was that young, bro. I started last year in March, so it's been almost a year now since I've been investing. But that's good though. By the time you're my age, because I'm 22, so by the time you're my age, bro, you're gonna be a fucking god. You're gonna have so much knowledge of this shit. That pussy blow me away. 59.80. Bro, the next move for me, bro, I don't know. I like HITiK. That one looks pretty good. The OPF is pretty good because like there's little to no downside, bro. But it depends how long I want to hold these. Because some of these plays are really good. Oh, the market is actually down today? Oh, I have a lot of res on my thing. JP Morgan's at 150. Nice. I sold that at 130. Kind of sad. Feels bad. Foot Locker, I sold that at 30. Bro, feels bad. AT&T is like the worst stock to buy, bro. It's just been flat for so fucking long. Look at this shit, bro. It just stays in this range. If you would have bought AT&T back in March, you legit made nothing. Nothing, bro. No money was made there. Like a $2 swing. You just turned 18. So did you just start investing, or have you been investing with a custodial account? AT&T, bro. There's I used to own them because they pay out a pretty good dividend. So I used to own them back when I started off, because when I started off investing, I was more into buying dividend stocks and all that, and just get paid with dividends, which is pretty good. But how's Dogecoin doing? They were doing pretty good this morning, and then they just fell off. Like I was up 90 cents this morning, and then I just got shitted on. Hello, what you think about dividends? Amazing, bro. I think I made a. Let me see. I made about at least $500 last year off of dividends, I think. Cause I'm trying to think of how many companies. I had ONEOK. ONEOK, if you like dividends, bro, I look at this company. This company is amazing. I used to own this company, but I bought it in the 20s and I sold it at $40. So I was like, took my profits, you feel me? But they pay a very good dividend. They paid 93 cents per share. And I had like around 150. So I got like every time, and they pay every 3 quarters. So every 3 quarters, I got $150 in my account, bro. So this one's a good one, bro. And this one still has a lot of room to run. So like I'm looking to rebuy back into this one soon once I finish my CCIV, because they pay a very good dividend. But if they go back to pre-COVID levels, my guy, that's in the 70s, high 70s. This is a very solid company to buy. So you just look at their financials. They do got like, I think their payout ratio for their dividend is a little high from what I remembered. So I don't know if that got changed, because I haven't really been paying attention to them for the past couple months. But when I remember, their payout ratio is a little high, which is just a little worrisome. But the company itself is in a very good industry, because I think they're Oklahoma. They deal with the pipes and all that shit in Oklahoma. They're like gas, natural gas, liquids, all that shit. The pipelines, the gas pipelines in Oklahoma. So I think it's kind of like the Con Ed. I'm not too sure. I think they're like the Con Ed of New York City, if you know what that is. Then I look into it. Yeah, it's a good buy. I still think it's a good buy. I started like 3 weeks ago with 500. Not my market value is at 854. My guy, good stuff. That's amazing. Good job, for real. So what? You're almost up 50%. You're up like a little over 50% then, right? Like 55 to 60%. That's good. Congrats, bro. Congratulations. I'm currently up a little bit. Nah. Oh shit. For me, I'm up. I think I put in 2,800 on this account. I'm up 19. I'm up 16, 17K. But it's mostly just because of CCIV. I should be up. I was up like what, 200% basically in December, and then I got the end of year sell-off happened. Fucked me. Then my account kind of consolidated. But a lot of this isn't really accurate, because I've been taking money out of my account. Like throughout here, my account value was like 12K. It wasn't 3K. It was 12K. But I bought my PC, cost me like 4K, Christmas gifts. So my account value goes down. It's weird how Robinhood works. Like when you take money out of your account, like this just all changes. All the lines change, or the graph just changes entirely. It's weird. But yeah, I've been up like 200% or 100% throughout my whole thing. You good job. I gotta learn, bro. I'm still trying to get like that. Bro, this shit mostly happened last week, bro. Last week, let me see. Last week I was like in the 12Ks, man. I was up like 11, 12K. You feel me? And then I have 6K on my other account, but so I was up like 16. My whole portfolio was like 17K, 16K, and then the news came out that it was gonna happen last week. I think it happened like Wednesday or Tuesday. It happened, and my shit jumped. I was like, whoa! I was happy with that though. I'm not gonna hold you. It was nice, but I've always made good plays. I feel like I've always picked really good companies. Like I think I've had at least 10 home run stocks, like 100x, like 2x my portfolio like at least 10 times. But I had a little bit of money, so it wasn't that much. But if I had more capital, I'd be up a lot more. You feel me? But I feel like I've always picked really good companies. I don't think I've actually picked a bad one, other than when I first started, when I was just like picking random companies. Like I was just grabbing. I was like, oh look, that stock is cheap. Let me buy it. Like when I first started, I was just picking random ass companies. But then I started doing mad research on how to I was learning a lot, and then that's when I started picking the real good ones. I think a good portion of it was just luck though, because I picked them at the right time. Like a lot of it is timing, man. A lot of it is timing. If you could time something perfectly, which rarely happens, if you could time something perfectly, like if you find out about a stock, bro, you buy it, you look into it, and then the week or like 2 weeks prior to it, you buying into it, jumps up like $5-6, then that's amazing. See, if I would start with 1K, I would be close to 2x. Yeah, exactly. That's what it is, man. That's why a lot of people who are like rich, they make a shit ton of money, bro, or they stay having a lot of money because they have so much more money to work with, bro. They have so much more money to work with. But us little guys, you feel me? We can only work with like $1,000, $2,000. We gotta actually scale our account. So it takes a minute. But you know, with the more money you have, like that's why I can't wait till I get 100K. Because when you get 100K, bro, in your account, you have so much more money to work with. The bad thing is that you could also blow your account a lot easier because you have more money, but you could swing it really nicely if you play it right. If you do a good job with it, so it'll be nice, especially with 500K. I heard once you get a 500K, scaling it from 500 to a million is very easy. I heard it's not that hard because you have a shit ton more money, and then you're probably way more knowledgeable at that point. You know. All the experience and all that shit. Nice. We're getting a lot more oversold. What investments did you get into first? Bro, I was buying safe dividend stocks. Like I was buying Chase, Nike, like things that I knew about, like Disney. Like I was buying a bunch of blue chip stocks. Because I didn't want to lose money, you know. I was scared to lose money. So I was buying a bunch of blue chip stocks. It was like safe ones. And then I started like researching it, like learning how to read balance sheets, you know, 10Qs. I was like reading everything, bro. I was just researching everything, listening to financial reports, hopping into their meetings. And I don't know, I just find it interesting. Like I always found it interesting. So me learning all that stuff was kind of just like fun to me. So I just like it really, bro. If you just like study, like actually just study this shit, like it just becomes like second nature to you. Like for me, I could look at a chart and just kind of just, depending on the chart how it is, I can kind of just look at it and kind of tell where it's gonna move from there. But obviously, it's never accurate. But like if I really wanted to see where like things are moving, I can just open trade view and just kind of make the lines and everything. Like I know how to do all that. You just gotta just learn, bro. Looks so hard. It's not that hard, bro. Like, really, I'll tell you right now, it isn't that hard. It's a lot more complicated looking at it. But when you understand like the key terminology and like how things work, it's a lot easier than what it looks like, bro. I promise you. It's not that hard. But again, you gotta like. I don't think people who make money off this if they don't enjoy it. Like, you just gotta enjoy something that you're doing to, you know, actually make money off it. Like, bro, I'm kind of like addicted to this shit. Like on the weekends, bro, forget about it. I hate the weekends now. I hate the fucking weekends, bro. Every time it's Saturday or Sunday, oh, bro, I'm dreading. I'm like, yo, when is it gonna be Monday? Think I'm gonna stick to FORTNITE? Yeah, man. I mean, just stick to what you're happy with, bro. It's not that hard. You gotta use your head and not be scared of losing money and holding. Yeah, bro, it isn't hard at all. It isn't. And then you start liking it more when you start making money. I remember when I made my first 50 to 100, 200 bucks. I was so stoked. I'm like, yo, I made 50 bucks. I didn't even do nothing for that. All I did was put it in like a stock. And I made 50 bucks. I was so happy with that shit, bro. You should have seen me last week. I don't know if any of you were in my stream last week. Last week, bro. What? Last week, I was like at 11, 10K, right? And then I shot it right to 16. I made like an instant 6K in one day, I think it was. It was like 6 or 5K I made on that Wednesday or Tuesday last week. And I was happy. I was like, yo, what? Like, people do that shit for months to make 6K. T-Dag. This one looking really good. I like this one. I'm gonna have to research this a lot more, though, but this one's pretty good. The Rollion. If you guys haven't, though, check out TDAC. They just announced today a DA with lottery.com. It's another iGaming space one, but it'll be a good swing trade, I'm pretty sure. Let me see if lottery.com has an investor relations page, so you guys can look at it. I should have just typed it in the browser. I'm retarded. Do they have an investors page? There you go. What is lottery.com? Do they have a presentation so I can show you guys something? I don't think they do. Not that I can see. But yeah, TDAC, they announced today a merger, or I don't know if they announced a date, but I know they announced they're gonna be merging with lottery.com, which is this. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but I think it's self-explanatory. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good buy. It dropped down a decent amount since open today. I'm looking. I don't know if I want to get. Probably later today, maybe like towards lunchtime when that drops a little bit more. I might want to get into that. I think this guy got into skills. I put the rest of my money into skills. I don't know how that played for me. God damn skills. I like skills though. That's a really good long-term play. BFT bounce back. Did it? Oh no, it's still gonna drop again. It looks like 5,000 shares. 1,000. They really wanted to drop to $16 though. Look at that. 45,000 shares at 16.80. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. It's 11 o'clock. All right. I think I'm good for the day. All right, guys. I'm finna dip. I'll be back later today though for the market close, like around 3 o'clock Eastern. I'll be back so we can see the price move with CCIV again. But I hope you guys did enjoy this early stream. I wanted to stream earlier to see how the price move movement was gonna be for CCIV. It was a W. It was a good day. Good day so far. I hope you guys did make money off of CCIV if you are in it though. Other than that, man, I'll see you guys later if you do pass. Bye. Peace, Andres. Peace, Harambe. Peace, Jesus. PJ, if you're still, see you, man.